Hello everyone. So today is new moon, new beginnings and new energies for all of you all. So today I would like to share 2-3 tips in the evening at 6 o'clock, after 6 o'clock. If possible, hear Lalita Sahasranamam, which you easily get in YouTube. Burn a ghee lamp in front of Mahalakshmi and hear the Lalita Sahasranamam. After 6, anytime you can do. Today, if possible, pick up some lotus and do the offering of lotus to the Mahalakshmi for your financial blessings to happen. Also in the night at around 10 o'clock, if you can burn a white candle, in that white candle just carve what is that one desire that you want to manifest in this new moon, and burn it and let the universe know what it is, and I'm sure the universe is going to bless you tremendously. Sorry, I had to put a pause. So the white candle for setting your intent to the universe. And today, one more thing what I would like to say to you all is, sit for 10 minutes in the evening between 8 to 8:30 all alone and put on a chakra healing meditation so that your chakras are getting cleansed for the upcoming days, for you to think clearly and for you to manifest your desires. Let's see, I just want to pull one card and see what it is that is coming for you all, and work on your energies. And this is a different card. It's the Lakshmi oracle which I've picked. Okay, so she is the goddess of liberation, the Kasi Visalakshi goddess. These are one of the cards which I have been using of late, because these cards are about gods and goddesses, and she is the goddess in Varanasi, and she is another form of Ma Kali. Whenever she comes, it is basically that you need to know that time is right for everything. Time is right for everything, be it relationship, be it finances, be it whatever that you desire. So the upcoming new moon is going to bring in a lot of money around you, good things around you, new opportunities around you, and your future is going to be really, really good. I would suggest one thing: do the Gayatri mantra, the Om Bhur Bhuvasva mantra today 108 times in the morning. And whenever you feel low from today till the upcoming new moon, just chant that mantra and the energy will get rejuvenated. Also, today, wear the color blue. I feel today you need to wear the color blue, and because just look at her and offer her a beautiful lotus and some Vilva Patra today, because if you see, the Shiv is there. Can you see? Shiv is there, Ganesh Bhagwan is there, because she is the lady who will fulfill all your wishes, and she is the lady who will help you with the blessings of goddess Shiva, and with the blessings of Lord Shiva and the Lord Ganesha, and remove all the obstacles from your life and bring in beautiful changes. So I would suggest from today till the upcoming new moon, whenever you feel low, just hear the Gayatri mantra Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha and call on Kasi Visalakshi, and she's going to bless you all. I hope you all enjoyed this. This is the month I brought in a full moon and a new moon spread. Though for new moon I didn't bring a spread, I just thought I should give some tips, and I should just pull on one card of a goddess. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you all enjoyed it, do let me know so that I can bring in more such cards for you all in the future. Have a blessed and an awesome new moon. Thank you.